I'm going to show you how you can get 7 days free trial on Apple TV. First off, all you have to do honestly is that you have to open up Apple TV like this. Just search it up, Apple TV. And when you first open up Apple TV, you might be put into here, home, right? But the thing you can do is that you have to go to Apple TV Plus here, and you can see if you have a new iPhone, your new iPhone includes a 3 months free of Apple TV, right? If you don't have a new iPhone, then it'll just be 7 days free trial. But fortunately for me, I had a new iPhone, so I can tap on accept 3 months free. If you want to accept the trial, just tap on this button to accept 3 months free. Now let's just wait for it to load here. Now on here, you can just see 3 months free trial starting today. After that, it'll bill me starting from the 5th of July 2025. There's no commitment. Cancel at any time in the settings. Apple account at least 1 day before each renewal date, and then plan automatically renews until cancelled. All you have to do is to double click to subscribe, the power button, and then that's it. You have Apple TV Plus on free trial for 7 days or on 3 months depending on what kind of device you have.